How's it going, guys? This is Holly with Grindworks, and if you're watching this video the day that it comes out, then it is the day before possibly the worst holiday ever conceived of, and that is Valentine's Day. And so in honor of that awful day that we all love so much, here's 5 reasons why we love knives. Reason number 1, knives are useful. Knives are tools that, serve a practical purpose. They're there when you need them. They're something you can rely on to get the job done. There are so many situations where having a knife in your pocket makes your life easier. Knives aren't lazy, right? You're never gonna have to worry about your knife sitting around all day talking on the phone and spending all your money at the mall.
Ugh, as if.
Knives are fun. Doing things with your knife doesn't get old. I mean, do you ever get tired of opening and closing your knife? Let's be honest. When you're carrying a knife, you're looking for something to use it for because it's so enjoyable and satisfying. Got a bag of chips? Why tear that bag open like a psychopath when I can slice the top right off, right? And your knife never tires of it either. It might need some TLC every once in a while to keep it functioning well, but it's never gonna have some midlife crisis and decide, opening mail and packages isn't my dream. I want to play in a band and go on tour and get a bunch of tattoos. Those are good. Knives are cool. Definitely have a cool factor. They always look sharp. See what I did there? Even when they get some wear and tear, it just adds to their character. Like the patina on your dad's old buck knife, right? Whereas some people really let themselves go after a while, they dress up and get themselves looking all nice at the beginning. Everything's great. And all of a sudden it's like, I don't believe in washing my hair or shaving my legs. Knives don't talk back. Can you imagine how terrible it would be if your knife could talk?
We never talk anymore. I feel like we're growing apart.
I've been in your pocket for 20 minutes and you haven't said a word to me. You only pay attention to me when you want something. Ugh. No thanks. Loyalty. I think this is probably the most important one. Your knife is never gonna run off with someone else because they're younger or less fat or have more money or whatever. Your knife is never gonna stab you in the back. Okay, all joking aside, guys, so many good reasons why we love knives. So I'd love to hear you sound off in the comments and tell me why you love knives. We all love them. They make our lives better. So this Valentine's Day, let's talk about something that we really care about. Let's talk about something that really matters. Am I right? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you want to see awesome deals on knives, just go to our website, grindworks.com, and sign up for our email newsletter. You'll get the latest scoop on all the great deals every week. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.